Today I'm cooking with Tovia. I'm going to be using my Uten Vegetable Slicer, and I'm going to show you guys how to make homemade plain potato chips. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of my uploads on Mondays and Thursdays at midnight Eastern Standard Time. And don't forget to follow me on social media. And if you need to contact me for business purposes, you can find that information in the description box below. Today we are going to be making potato chips, and I'm going to be using my professional vegetable slicer from Uten. Thank you so much, Uten. Check the description box to find out more about Uten. So I'm going to be using the 1.5 millimeter slicing guide for this. Okay, and I have my potatoes here on the side that I've already cleaned the outside. So I'm going to take my hand guard, which is here, and just place that on there. And I'm going to have the potato the long way. Alright, so we're just going to slice it. And I have here a bowl of cold water. And the potatoes have to soak in this water for 30 minutes. So I'm just using like 4 medium potatoes. Believe me, this will make plenty of potato chips. So I'm going to let this soak in this water for 30 minutes. I'm just moving the potatoes around to make sure that they are being touched by the water. They're not sticking together. Some they are going to stick together, so I'm moving around just to make sure each potato at least can touch some of the water. And what this is going to do is draw the starch out and everything and make them fry up crisper. So my potatoes have soaked for about 45 minutes. So I'm just going to drain them. I'm going to shake all the extra water off, and then we're going to cook these. So I have my oil heater here on the stove, and I'm using canola oil. And I got it heated at about 340 degrees. And I'm going to drop my chips in there. Drop the potatoes in there. I'm just doing a few at a time so I won't overcrowd it. And I'm going to keep the heat moderately hot. I'm going to just give this a stir around to make sure everything's cooking. And they're only going to take about 3 minutes or so. They won't take very long. You start to see them get golden brown, and then we're going to take them out. Just going to cook that for a minute or two. So see, these are golden brown. It took about 2 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and take them out of the oil. I'm going to shake off all that additional oil here, and I'm going to put this on a pan that I have lined here with parchment and paper towels. So my chips are done, and I'm just going to use a little bit of salt. And I have some fine sea salt. I'm just going to give everything a light toss together. Here is our wonderful potato chips, and I made a burger with this. So let's go ahead and try it. They're beautiful, golden, and looks good. Wow. This is better than store-bought. Only took a few potatoes to make an abundance of these. It's better than going to the store spending $3-4 for a bag of chips. So there you have it, guys. How to make potato chips. They're absolutely delicious. You can make these ahead of time, and they store well if you put them inside proper containers or storage bags. You can use it for cookouts and just many different occasions. Don't forget to check the description box for the mandolin that I use. Please remember to live and be well. Let's do what we can to come together to love one another. Thanks for watching.